equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, ensure you have a clean workspace. Gather your tools, a small screwdriver and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, power off your Asus K3605Z and unplug it. Remove the back panel by unscrewing the screws carefully. Keep them in a safe place. Once the panel is off, check for any visible damage. Look for loose connections or dust buildup. Use the cloth to gently clean the internal components. This helps maintain performance. If you notice any issues, remember, you can get a professional diagnosis without obligation. After cleaning, replace the back panel and screws. Now, check your warranty status online. If your laptop needs repair, we offer pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel. You'll receive a quote before repair, ensuring transparency. Regular checks can extend the life of your device. Keep your Asus K3605Z in top shape with these simple steps. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.